I'm here at the Rec for England's under-20s match against France under-20s. Let's go. And welcome to another day in the life of a cameraman who also goes to university. Today is Friday and we're doing the Six Nations under-20s game. So excited, let's go. But wait, surely for an England's under-20s match, there's got to be loads of fans turning up early. So where are the fans? They're not here. And that's because tonight I'm working directly with the French under-20 squad for their team photo and their captain's run for their last training set. So I'm actually here at the Rec a little bit early. So in fact, I'm actually a whole day early. Today's Thursday, not Friday, and the game kicks off tomorrow. So our main job for today is capturing a team photo and the captain's run, which is basically a training session that the captain's going to lead that preps them directly for the match tomorrow. So yeah, ready to go. Okay, so that's it, that's all done. I'll put some of the photos on the screen, but it's going to be quite cool because they'll post the images I've taken today on France Rugby, their Instagram account, which is kind of mental. But yeah, so we'll see tomorrow if they do, which is going to be really cool. So we're going to head back, edit. Got some ones with the flash, which is really cool. I've not really tried it before, but yeah, I think they went well for the first attempt. And yeah, that wraps up that. Mental to think that I've just done that, and yeah, but yeah, working with an international club, check, wonderful. Okay, so I've not discovered, but I've actually started using Lightroom properly for the first time ever. This is the raw image. Wow. If I'm just discovering this for the first time, that's really bad, but what do you think?
I prefer it raw.
Cut! Just got back from watching Liverpool. Okay, so yeah, we just got back from...
We're going to Wembley! To all the viewers at home.
All four of them.
All four of them. No, I'll watch this one, it'll be 5.
Okay.
The Liverpool have won the quad. Agree or disagree? Argue in the comments. You know, get into pairs and get back to me.
That's unreal. Okay, so we're finishing up the edits now. They're just exporting. We have 172 photos. It's taken about 4 or 5 hours to edit.
Wow.
We've take that down right now. So take that down right now.
It's a real football shirt, mate.
What's it good to you?
What do you mean, man?
Yeah, so that is all for today. The time is currently 3:30. Fantastic, lovely stuff. Yeah, we're gonna go to bed, gonna wake up. We've got a lecture at 1, so I get a bit of a line. England versus France tomorrow. So excited. Cameras are in charge. Ready to go. So excited. See you in the morning. Who am I going? It'll probably be the afternoon. Okay, we are awake. It's currently just gone 11, and we're gonna have a nice relaxing morning, head off to my lecture, and then the real fun starts. We've come back from the lecture and I need to wash my clothes, but someone's decided to put it on an hour and 30 minutes. So,
It's my banana.
what the is that?
They're bananas, but I've just not touched them. I might make banana bread with them actually. It's a good shower actually. I'm gonna keep them and make banana bread. These bananas aren't off. They're just black. I'm telling you.
Okay, mate.
Do you know?
Anyways.
I'll open one and prove it. This will be funny. But I want to make banana bread, man.
We're going to the shops now.
Oh, do you need to scan these bags?
No, it's okay. Right, yes, it's currently just gone 4:30. My room's a bit of a mess, so yeah, we're gonna get changed, pack my stuff, and then we'll head down to the record about 5:30. So in about an hour. Let's go. We have to park at school and then walk across. It's about a 15-minute walk, but that's fine. It's fine. But yeah, let's go. I've got a media accreditation for Josh Lefebvre.
Okay, yeah. Hey, Robert.
Thank you very much.
Come in this way?
Yeah, that's alright. Here we go. We're in. How are you, man? Yeah, good, thank you. So the first half has just started. Yeah, nothing really to say, but the weather's calmed down a little bit. Still raining like a lot, but it's all right. Yeah, gonna be a really good game. Currently 14-3 to England. Fairly one-sided game, I'd say. Lots of stoppages, just a lot of scrums, a lot of kicking to one another, and so on. Okay, so the second half's just started, and England are leading 70-10. Yeah, we'll keep going. Nothing really to talk about so far. France have had a yellow card for a deliberate knock-on, I think. And what do you mean, I think? About the game. But it is substitution for France. It is 20-10 to England. Last 3-4 minutes now. It's still England 20, France 10. But a lot less lively in the second half. But I think I've got some good photos. Nothing experimental. No sort of no blurry ones. Just sort of basic photos. But yeah, the real highlight today has been the mini eggs, I think. And that's it. Game has just finished. Crazy, man. Crazy. So cool. Yeah, that's it. All done. Heading back now. Yeah, what a day, man. What a day. Saw Kepio again. He gave his shorts and shirt to someone. Shorts as well. Crazy. Yeah, lots of nice moments. Ooh. I was at the end. I was in charge of taking the photos of the man of the match and a couple of the Bath lot. So that's gonna be really cool. And yeah. So we're back now. I'm gonna shower, change, and then let the photos while he plays FIFA. What a life. Okay, so in my excitement I realised I haven't eaten since a long time, so we've ordered Domino's. Yeah, I'm going to end the video here. Thanks so much for watching. Stay for the end actually, because I'm going to put a carousel of the photos.
Please, sa